Hi all, this is from Institute of Banking Studies. IBPS Clerk notification 2026 is out. The most important thing is we have 11,000 vacancies in total. Now let's look on to the details. The online registration starts from 1st of August to 21st of August. And the preliminary examination will be conducted in the month of October. 10th and 11th will be the dates. The mains examination will be conducted in the month of December, mostly on 27th of December. Now coming to eligibility criteria, age should be between 20 to 28 years and the educational qualification is graduates. Now coming to the structure of examination, we have preliminary exam, which is objective type MCQ questions. We have 3 subjects. Subjects covered are English language, numerical ability, reasoning ability. The time allotted for each sections will be 20 minutes and we have 100 number of questions and 100 marks, maximum marks to be scored, and the total time allotted will be 60 minutes. Negative marking will be applicable here, 0.25 marks will be deducted. Now coming to the mains examination, which is the deciding factor of your selection. The subjects covered here will be general financial awareness, English language, and reasoning ability, quantitative aptitude. The number of questions you can see here, maximum marks covered here, and time allotted for separate sessions is also shown here. Now total number of questions will be 160 number of questions and total maximum marks will be 200. Total time allotted will be 125 minutes, which is 2 hours examination for mains exam. Medium of examination according to state and UTs is applied here. And for Kerala, it is English, Hindi, Malayalam applicable. And for Chandigarh, it is English and Hindi. Assam, English and Hindi. Then Karnataka, English, Hindi, Malayalam is also applicable here. Vacancies according to the state and UTs is also given here. Now category wise vacancies are given here. For scheduled caste, it is 1,910, scheduled tribe 942. OBC 2,815, for general category it is 4,740. So in total we are having total of 11,400 vacancies. So aspirants, apply soon as the online application started on 1st of August and the last date to apply is on 21st of August. And the preliminary exam will be in the month of October and mains will be in the month of December. So aspirants, for preparation and guidance related queries, contact IBS at the number given here. So don't miss this chance.